Well, hi there pluckers, Arthur Sawfingers again with you with a very important update to my channel regarding requests for lessons. Okay, many of you will realise I've been struggling with this issue for some time now. As my channel has grown, naturally the number of requests coming in has increased, and it's got now to a point where it's become totally unmanageable and it's stressing me out somewhat. I'm getting anywhere between 20 and 30 requests a week coming in, which is just totally beyond me. Okay, so whilst I was away doing decorating for the last couple of weeks or so recently, I pondered the question, trying to figure a solution to this issue, and I can't come up with an easy solution. So the solution I've come up with is a drastic one, and basically with immediate effect I will no longer be accepting requests for songs, okay, lessons. I'm very sorry, but I can't see any other way around it because it's stressing me out, okay. So in future all lessons will be down to what I put up, which will be still fairly regular, 2 or 3 a week at least, okay, but there will be purely songs that I decide to put up, okay. So if this doesn't suit you and you don't find you don't think that's a particularly happy situation for you, then thank you very much for your support in the past, and I wish you well, okay. For those of you who are sticking with me, thank you, and hopefully there'll be some more lessons coming very shortly. Thanks very much anyway. Bye for now.